Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. Today guys, I'm back with another Eurovision reaction, and this is titled Ziferblat Bird of Prey, and they'll be representing Ukraine. You guys, I'm excited for this, and without further ado, let's see what this is all about.
Зайдеш і до мене, моя пташка, крилами пісня злітає важка, серденько, серце кохане, не турбуйся, доля довірила світ останній без нас. Я світло шукаю, гори зверну.
What?
I call you fly, but I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me, my little bird of prey. Вертайся додому, рідна стежка, спів перелітних пташок народить весну. Fly, but I'm begging you, just care of me, my little bird.
He has such a beautiful voice, and the backup is doing such an amazing job. Wow.
Fly like a bird. Where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who flies. But I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares of me, my little bird of prey.
Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys, that was a beautiful one from Ukraine. I really love this song. I love his voice so much. The voice really took me by surprise, and the backup singers, they were so good. I loved everything about this song. Let me know what you guys think about this performance from Ukraine. Do you think this is going to the top? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.